Hi there, lovelies. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you how to make this delicious juice which supports your weight loss journey. If you're on a weight loss journey or you're just trying to eat better, this is a great option for you, and I hope you guys love it. So my husband would have purchased me this Ninja Bullet juicer, which I use to juice my ginger and beets. All right, so now we are going to wash our ginger. I would have already peeled, washed and cleaned my beets. Then I juice the beets and the ginger together. No water, guys. And then I put them into little bottles. Now to wash my berries, guys. Look at that water. Make sure to wash your berries very good. All right, and I clean them and I put them into little bags and put them in my freezer. So what I do every morning, I would grab one bag, and then I would also add that right there. Very good. That is our sea moss. You guys already know it has 72 out of the 21 minerals our body needs daily. And this is the berries that I told you guys about. So you're gonna put that in the blender. You're gonna pour some, like 1 tablespoon of the sea moss or two, and then you are going to pour the juice, which is just beets and ginger. This is good on its own, absolutely delicious. But the berries just add the body, the freshness, and a whole lot of energy boosting going on here. So you're gonna blend that until it is nice and smooth, and then you can strain it and remove the seeds. Now, if you like the seeds, you can go right ahead and strain that up. But I prefer to strain the seeds. I like it nice and smooth. All right, and let me show you guys how thick this is. It is so satisfying. I did also 2 other juices, which is the orange turmeric, and I did my green juice as well. But I'm featuring this particular juice because it is so good for you. I mean, all the juices are good for you, but this one here is my absolute favorite. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and share. Love you guys. Bye-bye.